99.9 AlabMusic.com, man.
For more info, just call 911.
Alright.
This will go into your house and the harsh will break it.
Alright. And this is DJ Bone. I think he's speechless.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Scratch. Alright. Did you already watch the movie of New Moon? Did you already watch?
Hey, are you Jacob?
Yeah. Do you want to see my body, my sexy body?
No, I said
Caller.
Oh, wait. I think we have to caller. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, I think. What's this? I think.
Yeah, I'm Shimago again.
Oh. Alright, did you already smell your underarm?
Oh yeah.
It smells good or it smells bad?
I think they sell smelled bayabas.
Oh, so you already know what happens it is?
Yes.
Okay. So, try to smell again.
Okay. Hey, something choppy. It's
What?
choppy.
What?
Something choppy.
Okay.
Hey.
Goodbye. Hey, I think that color's so fucking crazy. Hey, come on. Switch to the paparazzi. No, it's not paparazzi. It's only security. You're not feeling well. You're sick. He wants sperm. Alright. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, this is DJ Bone, DJ Babs, and DJ Bird. We're gonna play something. Play it. Shots.
Yeah. Play na.
Oh, technical problem. Alright, no, we're not taking a break. I'm just having
Hey,
fun.
there's Lil Wayne.
Where? Lil Wayne. Hey,
Hello, baby.
hello, Lil Wayne.
Hello, I
Oh,
just
Lil
DJ
Wayne.
Bird.
Wow, it's an honor to speak with you, Lil Wayne. Hello, Lil Wayne.
Hello,
Hello. What are you doing, Lil Wayne?
I'm fucking crazy.
Why?
Yeah.
What is the title of your latest song?
I like the song
Yeah.
Amelie.
Amelie, could you sing it for us?
I'm a millionaire, I'm a young millionaire. Thank you.
Hey, what?
Thank you.
Shut up! Oh, come on, you fucking bitch. Hey, DJ Babs. Where's DJ Babs? Alright. Hey, I think we have another caller. Caller Shibaku, is that you? Green. Hello, DJ. Who's this? Oh, I think he's busy. I think he's already dead because Shibaku smells his underarm. It smells like bayabas. Hey, where's DJ Babs? Hey! Sport, yeah. DJ Bone, what can you say about our camera? Fucking what? What? Fake. Hey, where's DJ Babs? DJ Babs. Alright, I think DJ Babs is... Alright, we're gonna cut the show and thanks a lot.